Take a look at this.
waxaana Highlander libaana hay joogtaa.
So we have officially and finally, we are in the process of curation for the day. So if you're wondering what curation looks like, come with me to my right to the gallery. I am currently headed to the Hargeisa Cultural Center. Some of the work that I have here is on the CARWADII. I just cannot disclose it, show it to you. But I do have some things that I'm using for the gallery. So just these cardboards, they are huge ones. They're the ones that I'm going to use for display. Downtown locals, good. Everybody's getting ready for the EXHIBITION. Take a look at this.
waxaana Highlander libaana hay joogtaa.
So we have officially and finally arrived. Look at this. This is it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So we're gonna go in there soon. Definitely go into the gallery. Yeah. So we're finally arrived at the gallery. Like, I want to show you what the gallery looks like. Can gallery Sambu Egihai. And we already got the mandam in here. So this is what it looks like. They already have an exhibition going on. And what you say to the camera, man? What's up? What's up? What's up, man? Yes. He's too shy of the camera, man. But this is what's going on already. They got the pottery gallery going on, exhibition. This is what it looks like. We're gonna remove everything down, and then we're gonna put those things up. The works that I have are already kind of laying down here, and the other ones are coming. So I definitely share with you as we go on. Otherwise, you stick with us. The mandam is working here for the day. Let's do it. I just brought the artworks in. They're all in here. And so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna cut the art pieces into the cardboards, and then we're gonna put them on top of each other, and then we're gonna put them up, okay? So what la sameeyay waa markii la isku xiri lahaa, and imku masaladi soo gelinaysi aan xagga sare aan gidaarada u soo socno. Perfect. So we'll get into work.
Kajogiyo haku jabin waxba si jeedabayaniban jirabkanaadi mariisaye ilaahi joogay baa jira ilaahi joogay baa jirjirsaani jidin bay ku geesaa ama jariyo buurdhe khaliqana barbaara jira inti ku hor jalwaysaan oo lagugu jabay.
We are now doing the must work lad process. This work takes a lot of time. We're gonna unscrew all of those things, get them down, and then we're gonna put those up. But the very important part is the unscrewing, which is really important because these pieces are already screwed into the walls. So we're gonna take those down, and then we're gonna get to this part. ka warabaad shaqada lagu igmaday
bismillah shaqadu waa dhagax weey free bay adkaaday saan free
yes guys who complain garaya ninka cabasha ka taageeray he's becoming an artist today maalintii koowaad uu artist noqday dhigaya
bas bay isdii horta sida kala wacaadna
bahalahan in badan bay meesha surnaayeen so badankooda nasbiyan xagga dambe ay ku leeyihiin but you gotta do the job. Fast forward, it's already evening, and this time I've been stuck in Soga because I had to go get some blue tag. So I went out to get some blue tag for the pieces, and I also went out to get some double tape. And the blue tag and the double tape that I went to get literally took 3 hours. Because apparently you cannot find double tape. No, you cannot find blue tag in Hargeisa. That is one thing that you should know. So I had to go get my own blue tag from my other studio in Funkana. And so now this blue tag that I got took 3 hours. So now the other thing that we also have got done is we fixed the entire studio, kind of like refurnished the walls and of course made it completely white. Looks so much better now, and then you guys can look at it, and then we can definitely put up the paintings, but we cannot put up the paintings until we have everything done on our part. So you guys can take a look at it.
isku toogtay tabtaadii yeesho rag bay isku toogtay tabtaadii yeesho tirayadaadan habeenkii toosa habeenkii toosa habeenkii toosa habeenkii toosa
Fast forward, this is what is done, and I'm about to head out. That's what we have got done in today, and I'm gonna continue documenting the process, and you will stay with me until the end. Stay with me, I'm really tired, time to get some sleep in. Welcome back. After a whole day of sleeping, I've made through and survived the whole day of arrest, and again, I'm still here, alive, surviving. We're just coming back to the Hargeisa Cultural Center, and I'm here to commence with my curating, and we're going to continue as we go on, and I'm going to take you through the entire process as we have. We're not going to stop until we finish the entire thing and we start the show. Let's go. Take us to the gallery. I'm walking just to the gallery. The problem here today is I'm not going to have as much support as I had last time. My brother isn't here, and so the other person who is helping me curate the work is not also here. So we're gonna go through this on our own as we have the last things to do. So let's get into the gallery. This is it. It does not look bad at all. Have everything laying around, just like the way it was last time. So let's get to work. Get to work. Right here, guys, for the last few things, this is the last text for the research that I have done on my pieces. And so we're gonna put them on the walls in certain places. And you know what? You can never leave and go on without a water bottle in this country. Especially in May, the heat is just as crazy as ever. So we're gonna be rocking the water bottle. Let's do it. Fast forward, the nails that I got for the frames are not even piercing through the wall. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna have to use bigger nails. So I would have someone else installing that, and then you guys will be through the process. You can see that we have moved places. We are now working on this wall because we didn't have the time to install the nails into that one. And so we'll have someone else doing that, and while they install the nails into the wall, then we're going to have to do this part, which is meanwhile, I had someone else help me put at least one nail on the wall because it's not a nail further. So let's say thank God we're putting up the first piece. See the fruits now. It worked. Let me take you closer to that. Look how beautiful that is. And then we're gonna install the second one, which is just right here. That will also go up there. And that's it. Looks like we are officially done. The last thing that needs to be done is cleaning, and I've done much of the cleaning. We just have to move out the tables on the front, otherwise everything is done, and then we're gonna install the table there for me to sit and speak to everybody. Otherwise we're done, quite tired, I need to go get some rest. I will leave the last bit of job for some of my teammates to help me with that, and that will be it. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for the last part when the entire exhibition is done and the entire gallery is ready for you. So I will be coming back in just a day's time to go back for a deep sleep again. Guess what? Today is the day. Looking sharp, get dressed, get a haircut, looking better than ever before. Gallery's ready to crack with the work, set up everything, and now we're here to just bring people in, and we start in just 1 minute. Stay up to date, and I will take a full shot of the entire exhibition by the end, and I will show you what it looks like.
sida roobka ee maraysko isay lagu rabituge abiya albanka horto ariya bahilo qabay baye dadku dayo way raagtay iyo ay wacmaan ignaye dadku dayo Ila wa